should start this video by telling you I'm totally keeping this sample wig. This is Girl Mono from Wille in the color Safran Red Rooted. I'm going to do a color spotlight of this color, so if you're curious about details of the Safran Red Rooted, please be sure to keep an eye out for that. This is just about Girl Mono. Now right off the bat, as soon as I put this on, I thought of Haley from Tony of Beverly. But Haley doesn't have this curl pattern. They have much different curl patterns. And also Haley's a little bit like shorter and more compact of a wig in general. I love the length on Girl Mono here. I just think it's darling. It's got a lot of body, a lot of texture, and a lot of curl. I also love the front. You almost have to wear the front down though. If you try to sweep it off the face, like it just kind of, I don't know. I don't feel that as much as I do when it's down, kind of like the product picture. And by the way, I think this one looks way cuter in person than the product pictures. The product pictures make it look a lot more deconstructed and sort of like stringy almost. Whereas I think in real life, this is darling on. Let me go ahead and do a 360 so you can see what I mean. Yeah, it's pretty cute. I really like this one. I don't even want to take it off because it's so cute. I feel like even though it's a little bit tight, if I kept wearing it, it probably wouldn't be quite so tight. And I'll show you what I mean when I take it off. And sometimes wigs are like that. You just have to wear them a little bit. That is especially the case with open capped wigs as opposed to monofilament. So this may not stretch as much as I need it to because it's got a mono top, but we'll see. I want to show you the cap now. So we've got a lace front monofilament side part that's on the left-hand side. It's also open on the rest of the top with permatease. So that's gonna add to the body and the volume for sure. We have open wefts on the side and in the back. We have an extended felt nape with a Velcro adjuster. And then we also have felt here on the ear tabs. This is a beautiful curl pattern, lovely texture. Beautiful texture. I mean, I would probably rock this kind of bedhead style, and since I'm probably gonna keep it, I'm just gonna fluff it. But I mean, goodness gracious, but it's cute. This is the Girl Mono by Wille in the color Safran Red Rooted. I'm Heather, I'm from CysterWigs.com, that's CysterWigs.com, playing with hair. For your entertainment as well as my own, or at least I hope you find it as entertaining as I do. Okay, well until next time, have a great night everybody, and I look forward to making more reviews for you in the future. Bye-bye!